Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, we're doing a mukbang food test, taste test on the Popeyes most popular stabbing of the year, killing people and running people's cars into other people's cars, Popeyes chicken sandwich versus Chick-Fil-A. Now, I don't know if you guys seen the commotion about Popeyes and all the madness that's been going on, but a lot of people have reported, well, not a lot, I've heard at least 2 incidents. One yesterday of a guy stabbing, or someone being stabbed because they were backing their car out and of the Popeyes drive-thru, and they were just basically mad at one another. I guess they were waiting too long for a Popeye sandwich. But the Popeyes I went to, everything was fine. People were actually talking in the line. Everybody was like, oh my god, what's this commotion all about? They had plenty of chicken sandwiches. Where I could see, they have like everything wrapped up or whatever. And then when I went to Chick-Fil-A, the Chick-Fil-A line was long as well. So I was wondering, maybe Popeyes kind of pushed the chicken advertisement and helped Chick-Fil-A get their numbers up too as well. So yeah. Anyways, what was I getting to? I don't even know what I was saying. But if I sound a little weird today, it's because my nose is stuffed up. I feel a little bit under the weather. But yeah, I really wanted to try this chicken sandwich. So this is what we're doing today. I also got a cinnamon apple pie. I'm excited to try that. I saw this guy's video on YouTube last night that he tried Popeye's chicken sandwich and the pie. He loved the pie the most. And as for the chicken sandwich, he preferred the spicy Popeyes chicken sandwich over the original. Now, I don't know, I got one of these from my brother, so I don't know which one is which right now, but let's go ahead and get started, because I'm hungry. I think this is the spicy one right here, because the spice is in there and like, it looks spicy. And I'm assuming this is the original because I see mayonnaise on the side. So this one's going to be for my brother, and I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Okay, and this is, of course, Chick-fil-A's famous chicken sandwich. The meat kind of looks bigger than normal today, and I wonder why. Normally my chicken sandwiches aren't that big, but you know, Chick-fil-A gotta step their game up. I'm really excited for the spicy chicken sandwich. I love spicy meat, and I always, whenever I get Church's Chicken or Popeyes, I always get the spicy thigh or spicy drumstick. So here we go. Ooh, these are massive. Look at these. They're big as my head. Okay, so yeah, see that? Here's the original. Massive piece of chicken. Looks like there's mayonnaise and pickles. 2 pieces of pickles. They're also, look at, they were really just rolling these out. You guys see that? So a slap of mayonnaise. This thing is huge. Okay, well, let me go ahead and take a bite of this. Let me do another bite. Let me see. I can't decide yet. I don't know. Okay, I have some thoughts. So this chicken breast, or this chicken meat, is very juicy. It doesn't taste dry at all. Even though one of my friends said that he tried it and he said that the chicken was kind of dry. This one isn't dry, it's really crunchy, but there isn't much flavor because there's not enough spice or seasoning in it. The bun is really sweet and buttery on my end, and the pickles are really good. But there's no spice, so it doesn't really taste salty or spicy either. So let me go ahead and try the Chick-fil-A sandwich and kind of compare it side by side. Normally, I think the chicken sandwich is a little bit salty because they brine it overnight. So that's just my thought on the chicken sandwich, but we'll go ahead and try it side by side to see if it still tastes salty. But honestly, guys, I never get chicken breast this big or chicken meat this big. They're seriously trying to compete trying to compete with Popeyes so they don't lose customers or something, because I've never seen my chicken meat this big. I'm so serious. Okay, where are my pickles? Oh, where are my pickles? There's no mayonnaise. Oh, I should have got some dipping sauce with this one. I like Popeyes bread more. But this chicken is still salty. Chick-fil-A definitely has more seasoning because the brine and whatever they put in the Coke, but it's a bit too salty for me. Okay, let me go ahead and try the spicy chicken sandwich. I have two friends who told me that the spicy chicken sandwich is better. So in the video I watched last night with, I honestly can't remember his name. It's this Asian guy that always wears a hat and he eats like an abundance of food every single time he sits down. So I can't remember his name, but he also said the spicy chicken sandwich is better. Look at this freaking chicken. This can feed 2 people. What? Y'all, look at this. And I'm guessing that's the spicy sauce that they put on there. They really just slap it on. They don't even like make it look pretty. They just slap it on. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite from this side. Wow. My mouth is not on fire, but it's tingling a little bit because of this spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys my verdict, okay? I think the Popeyes chicken sandwich, the chicken part tastes like Church's Chicken's breading. So there's not a whole bunch of spices in there, but the crunch is there and the chicken is juicy. On top of that, they put this juicy chicken in between these soft, sweet buns and then 2 pickles. And if you get the spicy one, you actually get the spicy mayonnaise in there as well. So that's how I would describe this meat. Both of these chicken breasts are not dry, or chicken meat is not dry. It's definitely moist AF. And as for the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, still on the bit of salty end for me, for my taste, in my opinion. And the bread is not as sweet. Yeah. I feel like Chick-fil-A, you need to eat it with their sauce to balance everything out. So, and I didn't have any sauce, so yeah, which made it a little bit more boring. As for the Popeyes chicken sandwich, you don't need any sauce, in my opinion. Hey, these are $3.99, and I think this one was $2.99, I think. $2.99 per chicken sandwich. So overall, the winner is Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Not the original, but the spicy one, because there's more flavor with that one. If you guys like a more crunchy, moist, massive chicken in between a sweet bun with not as much spice, go for the Popeyes. But if you guys like a more salty chicken in between more of a savory bread, traditional bread, go for the Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I think that's the best way I could describe it. So yeah, there's that. I'm actually getting really full because I felt like I ate like a whole chicken sandwich right here, biting all of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the cinnamon apple pie that one of the YouTubers I saw said that was a bomb. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Look how cinnamony this is. They put so much cinnamon sugar on it. Okay. It's really sweet. And really buttery. Ten out of 10. Cinnamon, Popeyes cinnamon apple pie. 10 out of 10. Super good. Also guys, mango bubbly, bomb AF. Mango is so good. I think I've had one other one. I think it was the citrus one. I thought it was okay, but this mango one's really good. Alright guys, that's all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this slight mukbang Popeyes versus Chick-Fil-A taste test. Also with my bubbly. Yes, if you guys want to see anything else, please let me know in the comments below. I will catch you guys in my next video.